Hello children, here I am going to conduct a lesson. Form 2, first midterm, English language, Nelson Nonfiction, Unit 1.2. The topic is Return of Death Penalty Rejected, pages 10 to 15. Content of this lesson is test level work, comprehension, word level work, vocabulary and spellings, sentence level work, grammar and punctuation, text level work, writing. After this lesson, you will be able to make notes on for and against the arguments for bringing back the death penalty, to investigate sound of soft C, to form irregular plural nouns, and to write a report of a debate. Before starting the lesson, let's see what are the types of writing as you have already learned. Yes, biography, autobiography, articles and reports, some of them. In this lesson, you are going to learn a newspaper report. Now, my dear student, let's see what are the features of a report. A report is a piece of informative writing that describes a set of actions and analyzes any results in response to a specific brief. A quick definition might be, this is what I did and this is what it means. Reports should be informative and fact-based, formally structured, usually written with a specific purpose and reader in mind. Written in a style appropriate to each section. Always include section headings. We can often use bullet points and often includes table or graphs and offer recommendation for action. Now look at the basic parts of a report. When you are writing a report, you should introduce what you are going to write. And also, body of the report is the most important part of your writing. Then you can summarize your writing. That's better if you can write a proper and an attractive conclusion, which remains reader to think something. If you want, you can offer some recommendation for readers. With all, don't forget to use an interesting and eye-catching heading which grabs the readers to read your report. Our lesson is Return of Death Penalty Rejected, MPS delivered decisive verdict on move to bring back hanging, which was written by Stephen Goodwin. So my dear children, Return of Death Penalty Rejected is a written report of a debate. Arguments for and against the death penalty were put forward and then a vote was taken. The written report of what happened appeared in a newspaper. So simply we can tell this is a newspaper report. So my dear students, take time and read the whole lesson. After that, you will be able to write the answer for comprehension. Here, I will take an example from each section and explain the way of writing answers. Look at comprehension questions on page number 12. Section A, the first question is, when was the death penalty suspended? I will repeat it again. When was the death penalty suspended? While you are reading, you may find the answer. The answer is, it was suspended in 1965. Now, section B, the first question is, what effect do you think the headline has on the reader? I'm sure you have already know what is the importance of headline. As you already know, The headline is designed to be attention grabbing, short, and to the point. I told the answer according to my opinion, but you can think and write your opinion about the headlines. In section B, question number 2, explain the following in your own words. So, you can write the meaning as you think. A. Financial compensation subject to confirmation, their ivory tower. After doing comprehension questions A and B, you can move to section C. In there, you have to read the report carefully and make notes on the arguments for bringing back the death penalty. B. The argument against bringing back the death penalty. You can quote the evidence you find in support of your note. So, here you have to write the answers for all the comprehension part A, B and C. Hope you will able to do it properly. There are 2 parts in word level work. They are vocabulary and spelling. In vocabulary, the subtopic is dictionary and conceptual work. Here you have to use a dictionary and context of the passage to explain the meanings of the given words. I will read those for you. First one, suspension. Second one, irreparable. Third one, miscarriages. Fourth one, posthumous. Fifth, confirmation. Sixth, prospective. Seventh, sanction. Eighth, contempt. Ninth, forfeiting. 10th, incontrovertible. 11th, abhorrent. And 12th one is utilitarian. Hope you will find the meaning of these words after reading the passage, and you can use a dictionary to find those meanings. Now let's move to spelling. In the spelling part, we are going to learn about soft C. It gives sound as S. Look at the keywords. S in justice, S in innocent, S in officer, S in solicitor. Here, my student, you have to use these keywords in the sentences of your own. I will tell an example sentence. It's better to fight for the justice than to rail at the ill. So, hope you will write an interesting sentence for each of the keywords. Now, let's see these important soft C words. Decide, evidence, necessary, introduce, sentence, recent, and circumstances. Now, you can read these words alone. Let's move to the sentences level work. Sentence level work, grammar and punctuation. Here we are going to learn irregular nouns, singular and plural. First, let's recall what are the ways of making regular plural nouns. First rule is add s. First rule is add s. For most of the regular nouns, to make their plural, we add s to the end of the singular nouns. Here I will take some examples. Girl, plural of girl is girls. Mother, plural of mother is mothers. Lion, lions, school, schools. The second rule is add es. The second rule is add es. The nouns which end in letter S, double S, CH, SH, O and X. To make their plural, we add ES to the end of the words. For examples, bus, buses, glass, glasses, bunch, bunches, bush, bushes, mango, mangoes, box and boxes. Sentence level work, grammar and punctuation. Here we are going to learn irregular nouns, singular and plural. First, let's recall what are the ways of making regular plural nouns. First rule is add s. First rule is add s. For most of the regular nouns, to make their plural, we add s to the end of the singular nouns. Here I will take some examples. Girl, plural of girl is girls. Mother, plural of mother is mothers. Lion, lions. School, schools. The second rule is add es. The second rule is add es. The nouns which end in letter S, double S, CH, SH, O and X. To make their plural, we add ES to the end of the words. For examples, bus, buses, glass, glasses, bunch, bunches, bush, bushes, mango, mangoes, box and boxes. Now look at page number 13. Some nouns that end in F or FE are changed to VES in the plural. Examples, calf, calves. We dropped F and add VES. Some Old English plurals are still in use. For example, child, children, person, people, man, men, like that. Some nouns end in O takes S as the plural while others take ES. Normally we have learned if the noun ends in letter O, to make the plural we add ES. But here we are learning some nouns end in O takes S as the plural while others takes ES. Look at the given examples. Studio, studios, we just add S. But tomato, we add ES to make the plural tomatoes. And for the following also, we just add S. For word ending in double O, for example, cuckoo, the plural is cuckoos, we just add S. For musical words, cello, cellos, banjo, banjos. For abbreviations, as an example, photo, the plural of photo is photos. The next step is nouns ending in EX or IX. Change the ending to IC and add ES. I will repeat it again. Nouns ending in EX or IX. Change the ending to IC and add ES. Look at the given example, page number 13. Index, indices, matrix, matrices. Hope you understood the way of making singular noun to plural. Now you can copy and complete the table which has been given on page number 13. After writing the answers, you can check your answers in a dictionary. I will read the given words. First one, knife, ox, kangaroo, echo, appendix, cod, gallows, buffalo, piano, and mattress. I will take the first one as the example. Knife. What's the plural of knife? Look at this word carefully. It is ending letters F-E. So what we have to do is we have to change the F-E into V-E-S. So what is the plural of knife? Knives. K-N-I-V-E-S. Now you have to write the answers alone and check your answers whether those are correct or not by using a dictionary. The last section is text level work writing. Here we are going to learn how to write a report correctly. As I have already told, written of death penalty rejected is a written report of a debate. Arguments for and against the death penalty were put forward and then a vote was taken. The written report of what happened appeared in a newspaper. Now let's move to language features. Headline. The report has a short headline which is designed to attract the reader's attention. There are several examples of alteration. Examples: written, rejected, delivered decisive, and bring back. After that, organization. The first few paragraphs of the report give the reader a summary of the main points of the debate. What was debated? As MPs debated the written of the death penalty, the main speaker said Mr. Holt, John Greenway moved a new clause. A second clause moved by Elizabeth Peacock. The outcome: rejected by 383 votes to 186. Also rejected by 403 votes to 150. Then the rest of the report goes into greater deal of the arguments for and against. Examples: if the life of just one of those 8 officers had been spared by the death penalty, he did not believe death penalty had a deterrent effect, what the British people wanted them to do. After that, we have to consider about the factual information. The writer provides the reader with information necessary to understand what was being debated and who was talking part. Its suspension in 1965, John Greenway, Conservative MP4, Riding and former Metropolitan Police officer. In the 3 years since MPs last debated the death penalty, 8 officers had been murdered. Let's move to the next point, opinions. In debates as well as factual informations, opinions are put forward. Example: therefore I believe it is wrong and evil in everywhere. In my view, in a proven case of murder. Quotations. The report quotes the actual words spoken by those involved in the debate. For examples, the most powerful argument is the risk that we will kill the innocent. If we do incorporate the taking of life, the killing of people in our legislation. Let's move to the next one. Reported speech. The writer also used reported speech to summarize some of the points that were made. Example, he said that it was an incontrovertible fact that said he had happened in 17 capital cases. Hope you understood the features of a report and you will be able to write your own report properly. Now let's move to writing assignment. Writing assignment, you have to imagine a debate has taken place on whether it should be made illegal to ride a bicycle without a helmet. Write a report of that debate for a newspaper. Before you're writing a report, you should plan. The planning, come up with a snappy, attention-grabbing headline, make notes on the arguments for and against, invent the names of three or four characters who spoke in the debate, draft what each one said. The report. Then write a brief summary of what was debated and what the outcome was. Include both quotes and reported speech to show the argument for and against. Factual information also and the opinion of the speakers. Hope you will be able to write a successful report. Now, my dear students, we are at the end of the session. Hope you all understood the lesson. After watching this video, try to write the answers for all assigned questions. Thank you. Goodbye.